If you've been watching this channel for a while, you already know that doing your own Ford repairs is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make as a vehicle owner. The labor savings are real, the satisfaction is real, and the knowledge you build over time is genuinely priceless. But there's a conversation that doesn't happen enough, and that's about the tools. Because here's the honest truth: the right tool makes a DIY job clean, fast, and satisfying. The wrong tool, or no tool at all, turns a simple repair into a frustrating mess that sometimes makes things worse than when you started. The good news is that you don't need a professional shop full of equipment to handle the vast majority of Ford repairs yourself. What you need is a focused, smart collection of tools that cover the widest possible range of jobs. And today, we're going to talk about exactly that. Every single tool on this list costs under $100. Most cost significantly less, but together they represent a toolkit that will carry you through spark plug replacements, brake jobs, electrical diagnosis, sensor swaps, fluid changes, and much more. On your F-150, your Ranger, your Explorer, your Mustang, your Fusion, or whatever else Ford put your name on. 7 tools, under $100 each. Enormous value. Let's get into it. Tool number 1, the OBD2 scanner with Ford Enhanced Protocol support. If you only buy one tool from this entire list and never buy another, make it this one. The OBD2 scanner is the single most powerful diagnostic instrument available to a Ford DIY mechanic. And the difference between owning one and not owning one is the difference between knowing what's wrong with your car and guessing. Every Ford built since 1996 has an OBD2 port. It's a 16-pin connector usually located under the driver's side dashboard. And every fault the car's computer detects gets stored there as a diagnostic trouble code. Without a scanner, that information is completely locked away from you. With one, it's available in seconds. Now here's where Ford ownership gets specific. A generic $15 Bluetooth dongle will read basic powertrain codes on any car, but Ford's vehicles have an enormous range of manufacturer-specific codes that a generic scanner will simply miss. Codes related to the transmission control module, the ABS system, the body control module, the HVAC system, and the airbag system require a scanner with Ford Enhanced Protocol support to read correctly. The good news is that scanners with this capability have come down dramatically in price. A quality handheld scanner from brands like Autel, Launch, or Innova that supports Ford Enhanced Diagnostics now runs $60 to $100 and represents extraordinary value. What you get for that money goes well beyond just reading codes. A good scanner in this price range lets you read live sensor data. You can watch your engine coolant temperature, your oxygen sensor voltages, your fuel trims, your throttle position, and your mass airflow readings in real time while the engine runs. You can perform active tests on components like the cooling fan, the fuel pump, and the EGR valve. You can reset service reminder lights after an oil change. And most importantly, you can clear check engine lights yourself after a repair, rather than driving to the parts store or paying a shop just to turn a light off. This tool pays for itself the first time you use it, and it keeps paying every time after that. Tool number 2, a quality torque wrench in the 10 to 150 foot-pound range. This is the tool that separates DIY mechanics who do things right from those who do things approximately right. And on a Ford, approximately right has a way of becoming very wrong over time. A Torque wrench applies a precise, measured amount of rotational force to a fastener, and Ford's engineers specify torque values for virtually every fastener in the vehicle because the correct clamp load is critical to the integrity of the joint. Spark plugs torqued too tight crack the porcelain or strip the cylinder head threads. Wheel lug nuts under-torqued allow the wheel to shift on the hub and damage the brake rotor. Brake caliper bolts over-torqued can warp the caliper bracket or crack the bolt. These are not theoretical problems. They happen regularly to DIY-ers who skip the Torque wrench. The type you want for general Ford work is a half-inch drive click-type Torque wrench that covers the range from about 10 to 150 foot-pounds. This range handles the vast majority of jobs you'll encounter. Spark plugs at 13 to 20 foot-pounds depending on the engine. Lug nuts at 100 to 150 foot-pounds depending on the model. Brake caliper bolts in the 25 to 45 foot-pound range. And drain plugs at 15 to 25 foot-pounds. A quality Torque wrench in this range from a reputable brand like Tecton, EP Auto, or CDI runs $30 to $70 and will last decades if you store it correctly. Always wind the adjustment back to the lowest setting after use to relieve tension on the internal spring mechanism. The click-type design is ideal for beginners and experienced mechanics alike because the feedback is unmistakable. When the wrench reaches the set torque, it produces a clear, audible click and a slight break in resistance. You feel it and you hear it, and you stop. No guessing, no stripped threads, no comeback loose fasteners. This tool does one job, and it does it perfectly every single time. Tool number 3, a complete metric and standard socket set with extensions. Ford vehicles use both metric and standard, or SAE, fasteners depending on the system, the model year, and the specific component. Older Ford trucks lean more heavily on standard sizes, while modern Ford engines, suspensions, and electronics use predominantly metric. Working on a Ford without both sets means you will inevitably hit a fastener you can't reach. And that moment, somewhere mid-repair with parts half off the car, is not when you want to discover a gap in your socket collection. What you're looking for is a set that covers 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch drive sockets in both metric from 8 mm to 24 mm and standard from 5/16 to 15/16 inch, plus a selection of extensions in 3, 6, and 10 inch lengths. Extensions matter enormously on Ford engines because many fasteners are recessed in tight locations. The spark plug holes on the Triton V8, the transmission pan bolts on the 6R80, the rear differential fill plug on the 8.8-inch axle. And without the right extension length, you simply cannot reach them cleanly. A comprehensive socket set from brands like Craftsman, Tecton, or Stanley that covers all these sizes runs $40 to $80 and should come in a case that keeps everything organized and immediately findable. The frustration of knowing you have the right socket but not being able to find it mid-repair is a real productivity killer, and a well-organized case solves it completely. Look for chrome vanadium steel construction and a full lifetime warranty, both of which are standard features at this price point from reputable brands. A good socket set, once purchased, is genuinely a tool for life. Tool number 4, a multimeter for electrical diagnosis. Modern Fords are incredibly sophisticated electrical systems on wheels. The F-150 alone has multiple control modules, dozens of sensors, and miles of wiring. When something electrical goes wrong, and at some point, on any vehicle, something electrical will go wrong, the difference between diagnosing it correctly in 20 minutes and chasing it fruitlessly for hours comes down almost entirely to whether you have a multimeter and know how to use it. A multimeter measures voltage, resistance, and current, the 3 fundamental electrical quantities that tell you everything you need to know about whether a circuit is working. You can test whether a sensor is receiving the correct reference voltage from the PCM. You can check whether a ground connection is actually making solid contact, or just looks like it is. You can test whether a fuse is blown without removing it by probing both sides for voltage. You can check the resistance of a suspect coolant temperature sensor or a throttle position sensor against the specification in the service manual. You can verify that a new battery is charging correctly by measuring voltage at the terminals with the engine running. A quality digital multimeter that handles all of these tasks reliably runs $20 to $50. Brands like Klein Tools, Fluke, and Astro AI all offer excellent options in this price range. What you want is a true RMS meter, which handles the complex waveforms in modern vehicle electronics more accurately than a basic average responding meter, plus a 10-amp current capacity, diode testing capability, and an audible continuity function so you can trace circuits without looking at the display. The audible continuity beep is particularly useful when you're tracing wiring with both hands occupied and can't watch the screen. For any Ford owner who wants to go beyond basic part swapping and actually understand their vehicle's electrical system, this tool is essential. Tool number 5, a hydraulic floor jack and a set of jack stands. Everything below the belt line of your Ford, the brakes, the suspension, the exhaust, the differential, the oil pan, the transmission pan, the CV axles, requires the vehicle to be safely lifted off the ground to access. The factory scissor jack that came with your truck or SUV is designed for one purpose only: emergency tire changes on the side of the road. It is not stable enough, not tall enough, and not safe enough for any work that requires you to be under the vehicle or working at the wheels for more than a few minutes. A hydraulic floor jack with a 3-ton capacity is the right tool for F-150S, Explorers, and other full-size Ford vehicles, and a 2-ton capacity handles Fusions, Focuses, and smaller models comfortably. A quality floor jack in this capacity range from brands like Archon, Torin, or ProLift runs $60 to $100. The low-profile models are particularly useful for vehicles with lower ground clearance like the Fusion or the Mustang, allowing the jack to slide under the front air dam without scraping. The jack stands are non-negotiable, and must always be used in combination with the floor jack. The floor jack raises the vehicle, the stands support it safely while you work. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a hydraulic jack. Hydraulic seals can fail, valves can leak, and a vehicle that drops while you're underneath it is a catastrophic event. A set of 3-ton jack stands runs $30 to $50 and should always be placed on solid, level ground at Ford's specified jacking points, found in the owner's manual, before any work begins under the vehicle. Together, the jack and stands represent the foundation that makes all underbody work possible and safe. Tool number 6. A penetrating oil and Torx bit. Set combination for Ford's specific fasteners. This entry covers two things that belong together in any Ford toolkit because they solve the same category of problem: fasteners that don't want to cooperate. Ford uses Torx fasteners extensively across their vehicles, particularly in door panels, suspension components, brake systems, and underbody hardware. Torx fasteners have a star-shaped recess and require a matching Torx bit to drive. If you try to improvise with a flathead screwdriver or a worn Phillips, you'll strip the fastener and create a problem far worse than the original one. A comprehensive Torx bit set covering sizes T10 through T60, the range you'll encounter across most Ford applications, costs $10 to $25 and takes up almost no space in a toolbox. The sizes you'll use most frequently on Fords are T27 for many brake caliper slide bolts, T40 for several suspension fasteners on the F-150 and Explorer, and T45 and T47 for various drivetrain components. Having the complete set means you never reach a fastener and discover you have every size except the one you need. Penetrating oil is the partner to your Torx set because Ford trucks and SUVs, especially those driven in salt country or with significant mileage, have fasteners that have been in place for years, sometimes decades, exposed to heat, moisture, and corrosion. Trying to break a corroded Torx bolt loose without penetrating oil is how people snap bolts off in cylinder heads and exhaust manifolds. A quality penetrating oil like PB Blaster, Croil, or Liquid Wrench, applied generously and given 15 to 30 minutes to wick into the threads, transforms a potentially broken fastener into one that comes out cleanly. For exhaust bolts and suspension fasteners that have seen serious corrosion, multiple applications over several hours, or even overnight, is the right approach. The patience costs nothing and saves you from a far more difficult extraction job. Tool number 7. A compression and leak down tester for engine health diagnosis. The final tool on this list is the one that gives you the deepest insight into the most important and expensive component in your Ford, the engine itself. A compression tester and leak down tester together tell you the condition of your piston rings, your valve seals, your head gasket, and your cylinder walls without disassembling a single internal engine component. They are the closest thing to an X-ray machine for your engine, and for any Ford owner who is buying a used vehicle, dealing with unexplained oil consumption, or diagnosing a persistent misfire, these tools are invaluable. A compression test is performed with the engine warm and the spark plugs removed. You thread the compression tester into each plug hole in turn, crank the engine for 5 seconds, and read the pressure. A healthy Ford engine should show consistent compression across all cylinders, typically in the 150 to 200 psi range depending on the engine, with no cylinder reading more than 10 to 15% lower than the others. A cylinder with significantly low compression tells you there's a sealing problem, but it doesn't tell you where. That's where the leak down tester adds precision. A leak down tester introduces pressurized air into the cylinder with the piston at top dead center and measures how much pressure leaks out over a set time. If air escapes from the exhaust pipe, the exhaust valve is leaking. If it escapes from the intake valve is the problem. If you hear it coming from the crankcase breather, the rings are worn. If it bubbles in the coolant overflow bottle, you found a head gasket leak. Each escape point tells you something specific and actionable. A quality combination compression and leak down tester kit runs $40 to $80, covers all standard spark plug thread sizes, and gives you information that no OBD scanner can provide because it measures mechanical condition rather than electronic signals. For anyone serious about understanding and maintaining their Ford engine long-term, this kit is the final piece that completes the toolkit. The bottom line: 7 tools, all under $100, and together they give you the diagnostic capability, the precision, the safety, and the reach to handle the vast majority of Ford repairs yourself with confidence. The OBD scanner reads what the car's computer knows. The Torque wrench ensures every fastener is correct. The The socket set gets you to every bolt on the vehicle. The multimeter unlocks electrical diagnosis. The jack and stands make underbody work safe. The Torx set and penetrating oil handle the fasteners Ford loves to use. And the compression tester tells you the truth about your engine. That's a complete toolkit. Built smart, built affordable, and built for Ford.